Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand launched the Digi Sapne 2.0 at Classic Grande Chingmairong, Imphal, with an aim to empower innovators by providing essential resources and mentorship. The event, organized by the State Planning Department, was also attended by Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal, Manipur Technical University Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chand Babu, and Sikkim Manipal University Vice Chancellor Professor Gopalakrishna Prabhu. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Khemchand called for sincere efforts from state government officials to effectively implement the startup scheme. He urged officials to extend the scheme to both hill and valley districts to promote inclusive development and establishing the state as a key player in entrepreneurship in the Northeast region. The Chief Minister further highlighted the state government's efforts to strengthen the startup ecosystem and described Digi Sapne 2.0 as a means to support innovative startup entrepreneurs. He praised the State Planning Department for fostering the scheme and entrepreneurs who create jobs for youths despite the ongoing crisis. The Chief Minister also distributed certificates to successful startup entrepreneurs and a certificate of recognition to Acumen AI.
Manipur Sarkar ki tabak kudimak Sarkar bibangam banate but entrepreneurs singa karna bonaduna startup ki teamna chawna mati mating bangbasi jegi nuai jaba mani at the same time last year singi district singda yorani high matang lakadoba sigi startup ki plan singda singi district singsu nithina yawla kanda Manipur ki apun masang tamam pukalabuda startup da so botawdang do biu haijalakanda itenzari pura buthala sari